Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Lexus versus Zwerver. We'll explore what makes each vehicle unique, helping you decide which one best fits your lifestyle. We'll dive into their core strengths, from luxurious comfort to robust capability. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for making an informed choice for your next vehicle. Let's begin by examining their fundamental design philosophies and market positions. When it comes to performance, Lexus focuses on quiet power delivery and a serene cabin, often featuring cutting-edge driver assistance systems. Zwerver, conversely, is engineered for challenging terrains, emphasizing high ground clearance and robust four-wheel drive. You'll find a clear distinction in their technological offerings and overall driving dynamics, catering to very different user needs and expectations in the automotive market. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this comparison, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation. On another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, whether you're on the go or at home. You can find the link for these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Comfort in a Lexus means luxurious leather, heated and ventilated seats, and a remarkably smooth ride perfect for long journeys. Zwerver prioritizes practicality, offering resilient surfaces and ample cargo room for gear, making it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts. Each vehicle excels in its own domain, providing distinct levels of comfort and utility tailored to specific lifestyles and driving demands. Consider your daily needs carefully.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.